we just made this puzzle yesterday. Now we make this bird.
Where's the bird?
It's right.
Lego.
Yeah.
Oh, this is hard.
I think
It's
it
not
will be
easy.
2 hours or something.
You need 2 hours? Oh, yes. He started, which one? What is the first one?
The first one we need a piece of like grass and we need this.
The brown.
We have to put it the brown and then we have to put it like this. Make sure to count because look it, there are 3 dots and 3 dots. So there's 3 dots right here and 3 dots.
Oh,
Now
how
we need
smart.
one more of that.
Okay.
Where is it? It's big. Oh, how do I ever see that?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now I have to count it because this is 3
Number
dots
2.
right here and 3 dots right here. 3 dots and 3 dots.
Nice.
Now we need 4 of these.
Mm-hmm.
This is 3. We need one more. Is it lost? No. Oh, nice.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
That's number 4.
Yeah. No, that's number big 3.
3. Yes.
This is 1.
Mm-hmm.
Push it in for they're not gonna come off.
Yeah.
Now we need a giant
Which one?
peach. Oh.
Number 4.
It's like this one, but it's not this color.
Oh,
like
the
this.
brown.
It's peach. Oh, there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Veron?
He's right there.
What is doing? Nice.
It's you. Mommy. Mommy. It's you.
That's nice. Let's
Yeah.
go.
It's you.
This one's already built.
It's Tita.
You forgot to
Wait,
take it off.
wait. We have to measure just one.
Leon.
1 inch
Yeah.
and 1.
Leon.
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 What?
This is Gavin.
No, that's not my friend. That's not Gavin. That's you. It is.
That's a
Look
girl.
like this.
That's a girl.
That's not my friend.
Yes, it's you.
Oh.
It's you, Leon.
I'm not a girl.
Yes, it's you.
You're a girl.
It's this makeup. You use it
Oh, no, that's a bad idea.
makeup.
Yeah, no, his brother is so
makeup.
funny.
This is makeup.
That's a girl.
This is makeup. Yes. Mommy.
Bro,
How many pages do you have? Yes.
Huh?
How many pages?
Wait, I'm gonna put this for I know where is it.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy. Please.
The girl. 89. Look. 107.
No? Where's it? The other one. Oh, 108.
Okay. Let me see which page you are now.
Now I know what it is.
Angry Bird? Okay. Villardo, show it to me.
Here's another one.
This is angry.
Here's another one, but it's green.
Yeah, I like this one.
I like
What
the
does it
beat-
say?
I like this
Okay.
medium because it can do this. And this one cannot do it. Is this like for pictures?
It's angry.
He farted.
He's angry.
It is the forest.
He got so mad he farted in himself.
This one,
And he
Mama.
says, and he sleeps.
He's like it. Shoo, shoo.
Bro, why are you breaking?
Yeah. This is my tummy just
Next
my
page.
my bed and then he said ayo.
Your bed. Oh, he's sleeping.
He's sleeping there. This next time. This next
Why?
time.
Why Legos are kind of small? Because look at, my brother can choke on this.
Yeah,
Because
don't
it's so small. I can like lose it or something like that.
don't give it to your brother.
Yeah,
It's
he
just
don't
small.
know.
Your brother
He
is so
don't-
smart.
He don't know about Legos.
He wants you.
I know about Legos.
Me, I just my donation. My Lego needs donation.
You gave it to donation?
Yes.
You had the Legos.
And then
Yeah.
my girl.
Who gave it to donation?
You.
Me.
No. My friend Daniel. His mom.
His mom. His mom, what she's
She does giving away some
poor people.
poor people like they don't have like a house or money like that. Toys doesn't allow only like clothes or
Clothes
or some
like
shorts or pants.
Yeah.
Or like that.
Okay,
Or
continue.
like
bowling.
My
forgot
neighbor is donation.
what page I am? Oh, 11.
Just donation. My neighbor is donation. My toys is donation.
Yes.
My toys is donation. Not just no.
It's not a donation. It's in the garage.
It's on the garage.
What's your parrot's name?
Ram.
Parrot.
Yanni.
Yanni.
His name is Yanni.
Look, it's just Yanni. Right here. Right here.
Okay, Veron, we have number 14. Yeah. Yes,
Right here.
Yanni.
Just Yanni.
Where is Yanni? He's sleeping.
He's not sleeping. He only sleep in the nighttime.
Wait, this is the blanket. You
Put
this is the
blanket
But
at
then
night.
you
Let me see, what does the
This is
Angry Bird say? What does the Angry Bird say? Ah,
Is it far? Is this it far? That's it far. I just
and what else when he sleeps?
Go.
How you sleep?
Veron, you need more time to do that.
Yes.
And what other toys you have, Villardo?
These are mine.
USA Army
Veron.
soccer.
Yeah.
Soccer. I have two soccer. Is it? Is it?
I need the piece. What
What
is
is
it?
This is the Angry Bird.
Angry
What
Bird?
color?
Nice. Do you clean up, Villardo? Do you clean up?
Yes.
You always clean up your toys? I'm sleeping.
Is it?
The piece. I need the piece.
I need the breeze.
Now, page 15, right?
But I need the piece. So where does it? I don't.
What is that key?
Oh, my bad. It's not
Get
this
it
color.
from this.
Right.
There you go.
Get out of here.
It's not working. It's not
Is this
working.
color? Yeah. I need
It
the
just
piece.
has battery. It just has battery.
Oh, it needs battery.
Is it battery?
Yeah, it's still working.
Is it? Oh, this master. What does it say? What does it say?
Yeah.
What does it say?
Which page you are now? Which body? Let's see here.
You do. You do.
No.
I know.
Page 40, 41.
41, 43, 41, 40, 41, 42, 43.
Yeah, you are fast. You are fast, actually. You have done this a couple times.
Bro!
Let me see your cars. Let me see your car.
Stop.
What is this car?
Stop.
Is it ice cream?
No.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a cupcake and ice cream.
Okay, I'm asking Villardo. Villardo can answer. Villardo, what is this? See? Let me see.
Bro, it almost knocked my water down.
Let's
Water
go
bottle.
pay.
Okay, Veron.
What?
Are you doing it fast?
This is white. This is white. Mom, this is white.
Mm-hmm.
This. And this. This is.
Are you almost there,
I'm
Veron?
at 47 now.
Okay.
No, 48.
Show me your progress.
But
That is the
it's not fitting.
feet of the bird. And these are the flowers.
It's not fitting though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's two on the side, but this one don't have two on the side. Bro, you flipped the page over. Wait, let me see. What is it? What is it? Oh, you have to twist it over like this. But you twist it. It's lit. Now
So,
59.
doing. Oh, okay. 59.
A lot of pieces. I don't need to look back down. I know where this goes.
I need it.
Right.
Oh, I need it.
61.
So
Almost done.
now
To make
you.
a wing. Fold this over.
See your bird, your parrot saying Villardo. Did you hear him?
Yes,
Saying Villardo.
Villardo.
Veron.
Villardo.
Not
62.
Veron. Not Villardo. Veron.
Villardo.
This is cupcake.
It's cupcake. It has white and now we're opening it. That's now this is it.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
What's up? This white.
That's not wipes.
Yeah.
No, no.
This is white.
That's clean. That's tissue.
Tissue.
Tissue box.
Choose that.
I'm gonna sit wrong.
No, you tissue box.
Yeah.
Only some of them left.
1,
Two.
2,
And you'll be done.
3.
It's tissue box. You like this. Oh, no.
What?
This like this. Tissue box. Like this. See? See, Veron?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Achoo.
Achoo.
Like this. Like this tissue box.
I thought I did something wrong. Wait, huh? Where did this go? Oh, it goes right here. Bro, stop the loud noise.
I'm making that.
Two of those. 1, 2.
Ah,
What I have to do with two of these?
ah,
one right here. Where is it?
Age 79.
Are you weirdo?
Your brother is weird.
Bro, no, bro, that's what it is. Weirdo. Should be.
We're almost done. You're too fast. Okay.
Yeah.
Only small pieces left. Villardo, come here.
He's getting on. Now this the head.
Now the head. The wings are done. Now the head.
Where's it?
See how he's doing?
Okay, it's part of it. You can see it kind of.
Oh, this part.
Yeah,
The
right
head,
here, the
yeah.
head.
This is parrot. Nice
Now
parrot.
we need 4 of
Nice
this.
bird. All colors. And the flowers.
Now we need this, the huge one. Now we need this. I'm putting this on. Now this.
Yes.
What do you want from mommy? Oh, you just want to sit. I'm not looking at it
You're not looking at the page.
because I know how to build. Look,
100.
the right scene.
Yeah, you
I
know.
build. So I don't know.
Where's your angry bird? Villardo.
Yeah.
Go bring. Go bring.
I said it's lost. I'm not looking. I'm not looking at. I need no help.
We need no help.
I need no help.
You're done.
My money back.
Where your money?
Right here. I want my money. Right here, Veron.
Oh, about the way.
My
I
hand.
need this. This sideways so what?
My hand.
Bro, why is it burnt? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, this is nice.
This one
He
kind of
did
ripped
all
off.
this by himself, you see?
Oh,
I
look it!
couldn't
Look
do
here,
it.
it's right here.
I couldn't
I have
do
it.
Where
I
is
have
it?
this one. It's right here.
Good
It's
job,
the same one.
Veron. You're
It's the
such
same
a
one.
smart
This
boy.
one is the same one.
The
Oh,
same one.
I
You see
want
how-
this one. I really want this house one.
Thank you, Veron. It was a long video, but nice. It was a nice
How many
one.
minutes is it?
Oh, I don't remember.
6 minutes. 6 minutes.
I really want this house.
Next time,
I think my
You'll
dad
take this
gonna
one.
buy it and then I'll build it for the
you
video.
build it for the video. Okay.
Maybe
Thank you. Thank you.
This house.
Yeah.
Maybe
But